How to fix your remove account action required on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can fix if your Android system notification says remove account action required. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now sometimes what happens is that you could simply get a Google error notification saying, let's say, add a backup account, for example, on this case, or you could simply get an error screenshot like this one with this action account required, or on this Gmail address as well. Now there are likely two reasons why this can happen. One is that you have removed your backup account, or one is that you have removed your Google account. So in this video we will simply learn how we can fix that. Now in order to fix this, now very first thing, if you're already not logged in, you have to simply open, let's say, your Play Store, Gmail apps, any of the Google apps which you have, and then simply tap on the sign in button. Once you tap on the sign in button, go ahead and then simply enter your login details such as your email address and your password. So let me go ahead and then enter my email addresses on this page. Once you enter your email address, also go ahead and then simply choose your password. Tap on the next button and you'll be able to see now you have to simply verify and then first of all log into your account. So let me just go ahead and verify the OTP code as well. Once you verify the OTP code, it is going to take some time. So as you can see, it says automatically verifying. Now what you have to do is simply turn on backup right over here to add this as a backup account and tap on the I agree button. And once you've done that, this notification from the top is likely going to get removed. So even if you throw this away now, it is not going to appear again. However, even after adding up, let's say you have still been getting the error, it likely means that you have a problem with your Google account as well. In that case, what you could do is simply remove your Google account once from your Android phone and then go ahead and add it back again. So in order to remove the Google account, we will go ahead and launch the settings app. As soon as you launch the settings app, you want to go ahead and look for the option which says accounts and backup. So go ahead and simply tap on the option which says accounts and backup. Once you tap on accounts and backup, at the very top you can see this option which says manage accounts. Go ahead and simply select manage accounts. Here you want to simply select the Gmail account which is causing you trouble, let's say, for example. So go ahead and tap on the Gmail account and then tap on the remove account button. And then tap on remove account button again at the bottom of the screen in order to confirm the changes. Now you could go ahead and simply re-log in back into your Google account, and hopefully this would have fixed your issue. Hope one of these helped you solve your issue. If it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.